Stocks surging for the second straight day. The Dow is on track for its best day since November 2020. What do you think of this rally here?
I mean, it's nice. It's definitely helping some people, myself included, with some tough areas of the market. But, really, it looks like large cap tech is kind of underperforming. So you've got follow through in some of the high growth stuff. That's good. But the things that have been leading all year just look that much better on a day like today. Sherwin, Lind, the whole XLB, Berkshire, the financials look good. The home builders look great. Healthcare is outperforming, which is defensive. And then huge moves in consumer defensive. You're not going to see a day bigger than this for that group. P&G up 4.5, Coke up 4, Target up 4. So I don't know that you would look at this and say, okay, risk back on, all our problems are solved. But where it does help is if you're in a portfolio where you've got pain and you were looking for an opportunity to maybe say you own too much of something, like this is your chance to unload some of that. And I suspect a lot of shrewd investors are doing that.
I want to zone in on one stock in particular here. Cybersecurity stock Zscaler plummeting today. Despite posting a beat on earnings and revenue for the second quarter, the company did issue a lighter than expected earnings guidance. Overall, it's been a strong week for cybersecurity stocks, though, as you might imagine, with Russia-Ukraine conflict is prompting many experts to warn of potential future cybersecurity attacks. Josh, what do you make of the move in Zscaler? And then just more broadly, the cybersecurity stocks here? I mean, can you still buy into them after the big moves that we've seen?
So I haven't done a deep dive on Zscaler. I looked at the release. It looks very company specific to me. The name I own in this space is CrowdStrike. I'm a long-term investor in CrowdStrike. I've been in it for quite some time. The stock has had a good week this week. It's definitely come down with a lot of the high growth names, but I'm going to stick with it because I think they are positioned really well in the space. Broadly speaking, though, Zscaler is just one out of a million of these types of stories where they were all getting the benefit of the doubt that growth would be smooth and linear and there was nothing to worry about. And one by one, we're learning as an investor class that things aren't going to work out that simply. So if you like the Zscaler story, I don't necessarily think that today's action means that you shouldn't anymore. But you got a reminder, stocks don't do anything in a straight line, go up or down.